My name is Will with Jupiter Bikes. In this segment, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and install a new controller for your X5 electric bike. To access your controller, first thing you're going to want to do is open up your frame latch, push down on the red button, and pull back, and open up your bike. The magnet for the bike will hold your front wheel in place. Your controller compartment is going to be this plate right here with the 5 leads. To remove that, you want to remove the 3 screws that are holding the plate on. Once you've removed your screws, your plate should pop right out. To remove your controller, very carefully pull all of the wires out and then pull your controller out. My recommendation is to take pictures of all of the wires and where they're plugged into in the event that you've unplugged everything and forget where the wires go. When installing your new controller, be sure to install each wire one at a time to match up your wires from the old controller to the new controller. When installing your wires, all of them are plug and play. Just make sure that the device wire clips in to the controller wire. When installing your motor harness, take the edge of your motor harness and pass it into your compartment and through this white rubber gasket to the back. To easily pass this through the hole, get it lined up with the inside of your white gasket, and then take a pair of needle nose pliers, put the needle nose pliers inside and pull your motor harness out of the bike. Once your motor harness is pulled out, you're going to want to pass your motor harness behind the frame of your bike, up to the edge, reinstall with your arrow on your motor harness, matching your arrow of your motor. Plug in, and then push the excess of your motor harness back into your bike. Take a zip tie and secure your wire to the frame of the bike. Be sure to cut off the excess so the end of the zip tie is not hitting your chain. Once you have your controller fully installed and your motor harness in place, you want to take your wires, push them into the frame of the bike, and then you want to use your controller to push everything in nice and secure. Once your controller is secure, you take your plate and reinstall your plate. Get a couple screws started first in your upper and lower corners, and then continue taking your screws and installing them into your male battery plate. Once your plate is reinstalled, you're going to want to close your bike, lock it in place, and then you're going to want to test your components. Test your light, light on, light off. Test your horn, test your throttle, and test your pedal assist. With Jupiter Bike, my name is Will. I hope these instructions were helpful on installing your new controller. Take care and ride safe, everybody.